guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be a day of me getting my life in order. It's been chaotic and we've been super busy and we have a lot of projects going on. Wade is working today, so I thought it'd be a great opportunity for me to get back on track and kind of get things in order, clean, prep, whatever for the week. And I'm gonna bring you guys along. So I've already ran this morning and I've already went to Kroger. I need to put these groceries up, but before I do, I was gonna show you kind of what we've got for the week, what we've got going on, and how we get through our busy schedule with running, and Wade's got a filming project that he's working on, and just regular life. So Sundays are typically a day where I will buy groceries, whether Wade is working or not. I like to have the week prepped. So we needed a lot of fresh foods this week. So most of it's for snacking, some's for dinners and lunches. And then I thought bagels would be fun. I already had cream cheese for some reason, and bagels sounded really good. I eat yogurt a lot of days. I will put it in my overnight oats or just eat it plain. Creamer for coffee, of course. Cheese for meals and snacks. Eggs because we eat them often. And we put a lot of things on tortillas. A lot of weeks I will shred a ton of chicken and just eat it with tacos, but also like put it in soups and stuff. And because it is getting to where it's cooler out, I will make a lot more soup. So I always try to have vegetable broth in stock, and we always keep beans. This is kind of what we needed because we were stocked up pretty good with beans. And then just tomato sauce. We ran out of peanut butter recently, and I don't buy bacon often, but Wade loves it. I think it's disgusting, but I got him a little bacon as a treat, and we will use these for like sandwiches and stuff for work. These are really good. So I saw these and I thought they were really nice to have. And then we love Oreos. Oh goodness. And then Wade absolutely loves these crawtators, and Kroger has not had this kind in a while. So saw these, so I thought they would be really good to have. And I like to keep these because I'll snack on them, but also put them in desserts. We needed some Dunkin', so I got that, and we go through a lot of rice. Yeah, that's basically what we needed. We had a ton of staples, and I just tried to add to that. I needed this for my overnight oats, and then Wade has a variety of crackers that he likes to eat. So I like to keep things like this in stock because we do snack a lot, and we like to have things kind of readily available. So I will food prep later, but I need to put this in the fridge because I have a couple of more things before I get to that to accomplish. Okay, so I actually should have had this already done, but I slept in. I didn't get out of bed until after 7 this morning, and I got my 4-mile run in, and then I wanted to go to Kroger before it got busy, and I wanted to be back home because I really want to spend the rest of the day here doing all the things that I need to do, but also I just have like the fall vibes. It was 48 degrees on my run this morning, and like I just want to have like a fall scent going in the diffuser, and maybe like have Hocus Pocus on in the background while I'm food prepping and doing all the things. But I have not made the thumbnail or put the description in for the video that should have launched about 8 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago. Should have launched 10 minutes ago. So I need to get that done first and then shower. And then I can really soak in the fall vibes. Oh my gosh, I feel so much better now that I have my shower. The vlog is live. It took a little bit longer than it should have to get everything situated, but it's live. And I got my shower. And I think I'm gonna put some laundry on and eat before I do anything else because I have yet to eat. I didn't even have coffee this morning. Wade made coffee before I left for my run. I don't like to drink coffee before I run. So I poured some in my Yeti cup with the top on it to keep it cozy. Forgot it and walked right out the door, headed to Kroger, and didn't have my coffee, but I wasn't turning around, so I don't know if I'm gonna put that on ice or if I'm going to just make some more, but I'm going to do that. Put some laundry in the washer, and I'm going to make some quick lunch because my belly is hungry. So I have some leftover chicken and some tortillas. Probably put some cheese and veggies and just heat it up on the stove before I get started on all my work. Normally I would soak everything before I put it in the fridge, but when I got home I really needed to put everything away so it didn't spoil before I could actually take the time and do this. I had dishes in the sink before and I needed to clean them, but I also had other stuff I needed to get done. So while I'm soaking this, I'm going to clean the fridge out because it hasn't been cleaned out in a couple of weeks because we haven't went grocery shopping in a couple of weeks. So I'll let this soak for about a half hour, 45 minutes, and then I'll wash everything off. Come on, bud. I got a surprise for you. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Good boy. So, Remy is not a fan of the shower. We have a good routine, but we kind of got off of it last month. We had a little scare with Remy and some health issues. Come to find out, it was probably just his yearly shots and some medication that they had given him, but it was really scary, and we missed a bath. He will listen, but he does not want to hang out in the bathtub. So he'll hang out at the very back of the shower. Is that your daddy? Is Dad home? Is that Dad? Say hey, Dad.
Hey, buddy.
Say hey, Dad. So we didn't know you was coming home.
Look happy.
Huh?
Said he don't look happy.
Say no, I don't look happy, but I'm getting clean. I've actually seen like the water when I'm washing it off of him is like brown. That's how dirty. That's how dirty he is. And we're gonna go on a WALK right after if you want to go with us. Okay, I'll be done in a second. Oh, yes, sir. Didn't get the water?
No, I got my water. I was fingers crossing that you got a pizza.
No, I tried, but they didn't have their freezer section. I don't know what they're doing, but they got everything consolidated in that one freezer. I tried to find chicken nuggets. I tried to find biscuits. I tried to find pizza. Huh?
You just went to Kroger.
I just went to Kroger. Yeah, sorry.
That's all. That's
It definitely didn't work out for me on that stuff. I don't even know where I left off vlogging yesterday. I wanted to get all of the tasks that I had planned done yesterday, but I did know that I would have the day off today so they could roll in to finish off for the day if I needed. I do have a lot of computer work that I want to get accomplished today while I have the day off. Currently, Wade and I are training for a half marathon that we were running at the 1st of December. And that takes a lot of time to run, prep for runs, and whatever comes along with that. So we have been spending a lot of extra time doing those runs and prepping for those runs and making sure that Remy is getting his exercise in. along with our runs because he can't go on those with us. It's marching season, so Gallister's band is doing competitions on the weekends, and then we've got games on Fridays, and then practices throughout the week. And Wade is working on a project outside of our YouTube channel. It's a filming project, and it's taking a lot of time. We have our regular day jobs. We are trying to remodel a vintage camper. If you haven't seen those videos, we just started demo, so we've done a little bit of the demo, and we have a long way to go on those. But yeah, I really just needed to take yesterday and today while Wade is working and get some stuff that we've been putting off done. Deep cleaning the house is main priority. So I've done a good portion of that. I needed to get Remy's bath in order. Like, a lot of things go along with bathing him because I know that that's kind of like my routine. I deep clean the shower and the bathroom and Remy, and I know it sounds like a crazy process, like just bathe him, but I have to do those things anyway, so it comes along with doing those because hair is everywhere and it just gets a mess. So ended up doing that yesterday, and we took Remy on a WALK. If I say it out loud, he's gonna want to go on one right now, and I can't. I'm trying to eat my breakfast, and I've got some computer work before I take him anywhere today. But Wade came home while I was giving him a bath, so we took him on a WALK, and that took place of me blow drying him because it was sunny and somewhat warm. So after about a 45-minute walk, he was probably about 90 to 95% dry. So we don't have to worry about that. He hates that part as well. In the wintertime, we have to do it more because it's too cold to go outside when he's wet. But yeah, I think that's basically where we stopped vlogging because Wade came home early, and we just really just kind of like watched Halloween movies. I watched Hocus Pocus. We watched some weird movie. I made apple cider on the stove while we were cooking dinner. I had leftover soup, and he had his favorite chicken pasta, which is basically like penne noodles and some homemade Alfredo sauce with some chicken. I don't know, he absolutely loves it. Yeah, and then we just kind of hung out and relaxed. And this morning I went full force and did some more deep cleaning, so I don't have to do that today. I did do a little food prep yesterday while I was putting the food out, and I had to pull the chicken out and stuff. So I did a little food prep. I'll do more later today once I have accomplished all of the computer work that I want to accomplish. After about a day and a half of trying to get my life back in order, Remy decided to start drinking his water as soon as I started filming. We just got done walking. Wade came home, had some lunch, and we took Remy on a walk, so now he's trying to hydrate. Yeah, after deep cleaning, giving Remy a nice scrub, and just getting all of the files and videos situated for the next coming weeks, I feel accomplished. I feel like things aren't as chaotic as they were when I started filming yesterday. Yeah, I feel better, and I think now I'm just going to relax. We're gonna make chili for tonight. I think I'm gonna have vegetable soup. The boys are gonna have chili, so I'm gonna let that simmer all afternoon, get the house smelling really nice with the fall feels, and we'll probably watch some more Halloween movies. And yeah, rest before the long running week starts. So thank you guys for following along, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.